Gold yesterday created a bullish candle going above 2927.76 resistance level. In the yesterday analysis, I mentioned that there is a high probability that the price will continue to rise in value, and the first level that the price needs to go is above these open and close price levels, which is 2918.67. And if we go to the 1 hour time frame, we will see that 2921.22 was the very important resistance level that needs to be broken in order for the price to continue to rise in value, or closing below this area of support 2910.42. Yesterday the price was jumping again between these two resistance and support level. You can see that here. And yesterday inside the premium analysis, this bullish pin bar that has been formed here at the support level, indicating that the price could reach this resistance level as a target, was shared inside the premium analysis with the traders. So this was a successful one trade, which is a profitable one. After that, we can see that the price was going down, going up, going down, up and down, and we can see this bullish pin bar that has a large wick on the lower side. It was indication again that the price could rise in value. And this candle here that has been formed is bullish breakout that has been formed, and this is something I have shared inside the premium analysis with the traders, where the target was here, the next resistance level, and this one was also a successful one. So we can see these two profitable trade ideas was shared inside the premium analysis. After this bullish breakout has been formed above this resistance level, the price has gone again, reaching higher price levels, going again to 2927.76, and this was a daily resistance level, where we can see that the price did not bounce back down, did not retrace from the daily resistance. And this means that this bullish pressure that has gone from this area of indecision range area is a strong one, and we can see the price continue to rise in value, not retracing back down. So this resistance level has been broken, and we can see that the price is heading to the higher price levels. Now what we can see here, this was also a bearish breakout below this area of support, and this is something I have shared inside the premium analysis, but we can see that the price has confirmed this bearish breakout as a valid one with the next time, but the price continued to rise in value. So this one was a failed one, a breakout to traders inside the premium analysis. So we have two successful and one failed. So we will see what happens for today. Now we can see that the price has again formed a bullish breakout above 2936.69 resistance level, and it is continuing to rise in value, reaching the next target, and it has reached, we can see that here, and it is currently heading again up, and it has reached 294.17 resistance level. Now if we go a little bit like this, just to see, zoom out a little bit to see again the daily resistance level, and we can see 2952.97 is the next target, and we can see how this looks. The price needs to break 2947.17 resistance level in order to reach that price level. Now if we go to the daily time frame, we'll see how this looks. After the breakout happened on the 1 hour time frame, we can see the daily candle has closed as a bullish breakout above this very important resistance level 2927.76, which means bullish breakout indicating further rise in value. And what we can see here, the target will be again this area of resistance, which is 2952.97. So this is the target, and you can see that I already have shared with the traders this bullish breakout with the traders inside the premium analysis, where the target will be here very close to 2952.97. Now on the 4 hour time frame, we can see that the price is currently trying to make a bullish breakout above this area of resistance 2942.21, and where the price will go is the next area of resistance, where what we can see here is currently at the start of this supply zone around 2952.97. So this is the area where I'm expecting that the price will reach, and the target is today for the bulls. Now when the price reaches this area of resistance, it's very important one, we can see that I'm expecting that the price will retrace back down. It will retrace because of the buying pressure that has pushed the price from this area of support from 2878.61. The traders will get out from their trades, and this is a very important supply zone where the sellers are waiting, and also when the buyers go out from their trades, this will also be a selling pressure for the price, which will return the price down. Now, will that happen? This is very important to watch on closely on the lower time frame. If the price goes above and returns back down with the bearish breakout, this will be indication that the price will continue to lose its value, and the next support the price could reach is 2942.21. It is on the 4 hour time frame. but 1 hour time frame shows that we will have the price returning to 2947.17. It is the first support level. Now, if you take a look in the past, what has happened when the price was reaching this area of resistance, we can see there were two first attempt and the second attempt, and each time the price has returned back down. The first support level, which is 2947.17, has been reached each time when the price was reaching this area of resistance. So I'm expecting the same scenario this time, or if there is enough buying pressure, that the price will try to reach higher price level. But I'm more inclined to see that the price will bounce a little bit at least, and then we'll see what happens. Will the price continue to lose its value, like in these examples in the past? Like you can see it here, or it will continue to rise in value and target the next resistance level, which will be around 2962.78. This is something that we need to watch closely, but what is very important is the bulls have managed to push the price above this area of resistance. We can see that, and the daily bullish breakout indicated further rise in value where the target is here. So this is some kind of a breakouts like bullish and bearish I'm sharing inside the premium analysis. If you would like to receive these ones, feel free to check and join the premium analysis, where are the traders and they're receiving these updates regularly for gold and also other symbols on the market. That's all for today. If you have any questions, and if you have also your comment about today, what could happen, also what is the target, feel free to share in the comments to see what is your opinion about this movement after the price has formed this bullish breakout above 2927.76. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.